Hi, welcome to another cleaning video. This is a more stressed cleaning video. I don't know, this is my you know, people with depression or people who are, you know, very anxious, and you know, sometimes they have these days where they don't want to do anything and everything gets dirty and everything is disgusting, and that could build up for a couple of days or one day or a couple of weeks, months. To me, like, it's different. How do I say this? Some people have it really dirty when they are in this depression. Some people have it kind of dirty, but it's dirty for them. So this is really messy for me. It might not be that messy for you, but this is what really messy is for me, because I like to keep things clean, because it clears my head. Because what it looks like now, that's how it is in my head, and I don't want it to look like that in my room, because my room is my safe space and a space where I go to clear my mind. And if it looks like this, I can't clear my mind, and I'm very stressed right now. If you have any video ideas, let me know. Like maybe some autumn inspired videos, maybe some self-care. I want to do some more self-care. If you want self-care videos, let me know down below. If there's anything specific, let me know down below. That's all I have to say. This is how really messy is to me. I never throw anything on the floor like this. I don't like doing that. But now I've done it because I've been really stressed, and this is what it looks like. So let's clean this up. I'll start by picking things up. If anyone's wondering, this one is from Amazon, these ones are from Amazon. It says Daddy on the shirt. I would just get this and the vacuum cleaner. I will be right back. Great. I will do a fast forward right now, and I will listen to some music, so you will only hear music now, not mine though. Copyrighted free music. finished cleaning, I will be using this after this video because I will film another video. The clothing is right here because I will use them in this video, but everything else, yep, clean. And I'm charging a battery over there. But yes, I am done. Thank you for watching. If you want more cleaning videos, hit the like button so I know that you want to see more. And I will see you in my next video. I love you, bye.